How to convert Lazada coins to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert Lazada coins to Gcash. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on the account option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for and tap on the MYR option. This is where you can manage your Lazada coins and other rewards. Now, you should see an option to convert your Lazada coins to Gcash. Tap on that option to proceed. After that, you will need to enter your mobile number to link your Gcash account. Lazada will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to complete the process. Once verified, your Lazada coins will be converted to Gcash, and you can use them as cash through your Gcash account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.